House Bill number 10583, postponing the November 2, 2026 Barangay and SK elections, setting the same on the last Monday of May 2027, by Representatives Hernandez Ferdinand, Tuan, Bautista Claude, Zamora Maria Carmen, and Zenisa.
To the Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms.
House Bill number 10584, postponing the November 2, 2026 Barangay and SK elections, setting the same on the last Monday of November 2028, by Representative Alano.
Suffrage and Electoral Reforms.
House Bill number 10585, removing the burden of system loss costs. House Bill number 10591, postponing the November 2, 2026 Barangay and SK elections, setting the same on the last Monday of November 2028. For Representatives Benitez Javier Miguel, Arenas, Balindong, Emano, Adyong, Agaraw, Agyao, Alba, Albano, Almario, Chino Miguel, Amante, Angeles, Aquino, Aragancia, Ayon, Barbers, Bascook, Bondo, Cagas, Kawagdan, Catulpos, Chan, Junard, Chuotay, Corvera, Dagook, Dayang Hirang, Dimagila, Dimaporo, Imelda, Dimaporo City, Amina, Flores, Garcia, Albert, Garcia, Maria Angela, Go, Gonzales, Roy, Lazatin, Mangudadato, Mastura, Momo, Manalasco, Waminal, Henry, Pimentel Plaza, Plato, Rodriguez, Eulohio, Sally, Salvador, Solon, Suan, Tan Amon, Tan Joseph, Tariela, Teves, Roberto, Vargas, Villa, Villarica, Violago, Yap, Christopherson, Zubiri, Gomez, Lumayag, Madrona, and Rama.
To the Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms.